Hi, my name is Steve Benner with 5 Star Truck Sales, and today we're here to do an oil change on a Freightliner Cascadia. I'm here with Logan from Roots Fleet Service, and he's going to show us how to do it.
Let's get right into it.
Perfect. All right, Logan, I got my handy big wrench here that's going to do all of the voice recording for you. All you got to do is speak. How are you going to show us how to do this oil change today?
Well, first things first, when you park the truck in, you want to turn the wheel so that you have extra space to get in and get at the drain plug.
Okay.
You need your handy dandy 1/2-inch ratchet, and you're going to go down and you're going to pop that drain plug loose. You're going to get your handy dandy 1/2-inch ratchet, and you're going to come down here and you're going to pop this drain plug loose. Just like that. Then we're going to get the drain pan in place, and we're going to take this drain plug the rest of the way out so that it starts draining. Don't forget to grab your drain plug because you got to change the O-ring on it. Next, we're going to move on to the oil filter. Now, there are two filters that look similar on these Detroit engines, but the way to tell the difference is the fuel filter has one big and one little with a primer on it. The oil filter is just one big filter. Once you have your filter out, you're going to want to let it prop up and drain a tiny bit before you take it all the way out. All right, once you got your filter out, just give it a good grab at the top of the filter, good grab at the filter housing, and it comes right out of there. Then you're going to get your O-ring pick. You're going to take off the old O-ring. And then, in your oil filter kit, you'll have 2 O-rings. You're going to take the big black O-ring, and you're going to rub it around in the oil in the filter housing. You put it where the old O-ring was. Now you're ready to put in the new filter. So your new filter, I'm just going to pop it right in there. Put it right where that old filter was. You grab your ratchet, tighten it down. Just until it's snug. You don't want it too tight or too loose. Just like that. We'll go down there and we'll put the drain plug back. But first, make sure you get a new copper O-ring on there. And get it started so that it stops trickling. When you are good to move the oil drain pan out, and you can go down and tighten up that drain plug. Now we're just tightening the drain plug back on there. I'm going the wrong way. You want to go just until you can't turn it anymore with a small size ratchet. Like that. That's perfect. And now we're ready to pump oil into this thing. All right.
Logan, how much oil does this thing take?
This thing takes 44 quarts or 11 gallons. Usually you can find out when you pop this off. It'll say on this cap right here. This one doesn't, so I had to check the owner's manual, and it said 44 quarts. And also, when you're taking this off, if you see like white, nasty stuff all over it, that usually means that you have coolant in your oil or water. You also do not need one of these oil pumpers for these things. You can use regular oil and funnel. This just makes it easier. Set that to 44 and start pumping.
Well, Logan, you did a great job here. Oil change completed. I very much appreciate that. Did you learn anything?
No.
Okay, good.
Just repeating already learned information.
Perfect. Again, thanks for joining us, folks. And if you need any trucks, you can visit us at 5startrucksales.us. Or if you need any service, call Roots Fleet Service, and they'd be happy to help you.